So guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have my Volkswagen here, and with the Volkswagen today we're going to clean up the interior, a little cleaning day. It's been a while since I cleaned inside. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a lot of crumbs and dirt in there. So I'm going to vacuum the inside, wipe down everything, because I still take this car out to work and whatnot. So I need to wipe down the whole interior, like the steering wheel and whatnot, make sure it's kind of clean. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. It's gonna be car treatment time. Let's go. Now I know what you guys are gonna say in the comments. I know the rugs has a hole, busted old. Why don't you get new ones? Well, I'm gonna get new ones soon. These OEM ones suck, but I'm not really worried about buying new ones right now, because I use this car daily drive and I'm still working during this whole quarantine thing. I have a bag full of sweaters that I usually bring in the morning to work. I get hot easily, and now I just got a bag full of sweaters. So now I gotta clean out this whole back area, take out all my clothes, and also vacuum over here. Now I'm gonna move to the other side and vacuum the other rugs. Not a sponsored video, but if you guys are looking for car air fresheners that doesn't look horrifying when you're hanging up on your little mirror or inside, but you want it to make it look good, not sponsored by the way, I'm just giving you guys a shout out, is Air Spencer. This guy's, I don't know if you can see one. But there's a company in Japan that makes these. So basically, these car air fresheners are the bomb. This one, the blue one I like, is a really popular smell. This gives it that new car smell kind of. It's like a little sweet little new car smell. Comes in three different scents. I haven't tried the other two because the blue one's been my favorite so far. If you guys are trying to look for this one, I think you buy on Amazon pack of 3. I don't know how much though, but I usually get them here in Washington. Most of the malls, it's like a Tokyo anime store. I think it's like Tokyo Anime something that you can buy those in South Center Mall, Auburn Mall, and CM1 Olympia 2. They can buy those in. But right now I finish spraying down, wiping down over here, disinfecting it. This affected the steering wheel, this affected the e-brake, this affected over here, got a little automatic shifter, and then this affected the whole touchscreen, buttons and whatnot. I'm gonna get to the other side and disinfect that side too, and then I'm gonna hit up the trunk and I'm gonna clean this off real quick too. You guys didn't know, I installed new taillights. These are smoke tinted taillights. My original OEM ones, one of them had a crack in it. I think it was this side. I was thinking it's time to change it, so it looks really nice. But the thing is, I forgot to move the reverse light bulb back into the driver's side. So right now, I'm gonna take out all the interior pieces, take out the whole trim, take it out in order for me to access the bulbs. So it's gonna take a while. Here are the stock ones. So this is the right side that was cracked. So this used to be my mom's car until I bought her a new car, which is the Jeep. And she backed into one of the car return thingies in the parking lot and didn't crack. So I replaced them, and now inside here is where I need to grab the bulb, if it's still here. Oh, the bulb's not here. Okay, I gotta look for it. Now I found it. This is what it looks like. So back to removing everything.
A few inches later.
10 minutes later, I finally took out the tail light. I'm so done with this car. I for real had to take this side apart, pull out. This is what I was talking about. I couldn't squeeze in a bulb just to get in there, but to take this whole thing out just to put one bulb in. This bulb. Just so I can squeeze it in there. It's really in. Now when I go reverse, the light will show up.
A few moments later.
Alright, everything has been put back together. So I already got the whole trim and everything, including this little safe box here. Everything's all buttoned up, screwed in, and now I got the reverse light in. So the trunk I mostly vacuumed and cleaned out everything. And I think that's it for this vehicle. I'm gonna switch over to truck and do some cleaning.